Question 9. Which statement describes an impulse acting on an object? We have 4 options given. Well, we know that the impulse is basically when we take force is equal to the change in momentum divided by time. This is the formula. The impulse is just force multiplied by time when you bring it here. So Ft is equal to mv minus mu. And this over here can be written as the change in momentum, where this is just mass times velocity, so that's momentum. And therefore, the answer is option B. Impulse is a change in momentum of the object. Now, question 10. A ball of mass 0.16 kilograms is moving forward at a speed of 0.5 meters per second. Now, a second ball of mass 0.1 kilograms is stationary. The first ball hits the second ball, and this ball now moves at a speed of 0.5 meters per second. What's the speed of the first ball after collision? The way to solve this is to use the conservation of momentum. So now we have 3 momentum calculations. Let's say m1v1 plus m2v2 is equal to m3v3. Now, I'll tell you what each of these mean. So let's take this one to be the initial. So this 0.16, 0.5. So let's say this is m3 and v3. And of course, this is stationary. That's why I haven't counted that, because the momentum is 0 over here. And this momentum will be equal to 0.16 times 0.5, which is 0.08. Now, we have these two. So the second ball moves forward at a speed of 0.5 meters per second. And so let's say that's the second ball over here. And the mass is 0.1, speed is this. So m2v2, when you multiply these two, we get 0.05. And m1v1 over here, we have the mass of the first ball, which is 0.16, but we don't know its velocity, which is what we need in the question. So 0.16 times v1. So we have an equation here. Now we just solve for v1. So 0.16 v1 is equal to 0.03. And this v1 is going to be 0.03 by 0.16. And we get our answer is actually 0.1875. But then we take 2 significant figures in physics. So 0.19 meters per second to 2 significant figures makes it option B.